Hey, it's Mike over at fishyourassoff.com, and out here in the kayak this morning looking for something to tug on my line, hoping for some maybe juvenile tarpon, maybe a snook or so, but just going to be fishing around the mangroves here today. Got some live finger mullet, but also I got some 3-inch paddle tails that I'm going to be using. So that's the plan. Wish me luck. Oh, a lot of little baby snook running around this joint. Come and get them. Come on, I have a delicious mullet with a spear through his back. Eat him. That was the best eat ever. Oh my God. Oh man, that was the best eat ever. Oh my God. Oh God. That tarpon, that was awesome. Yeah, I'm only fishing a 20-pound leader because they seem real leader shy, so I'm gonna miss a lot of these, but I'd rather get the hook up and miss them than not get the hook up, you know. That was so awesome though. When you're looking for these juvenile tarpon, these places like this where the water is basically stagnant often holds them. They don't need very highly oxygenated water, so a lot of times these little back bays like this might have a tarpon in them. So that's really what I'm hoping for. What we got here? Feels very jack-like. Very, very jack-like. You wasting all my tarpon baits, buddy? Spinning me around in circles. Oh, now I got the anchor, I'm sure. You are a hassle. Big one now. Man, he's pretty. Gosh, you are pretty. You've been in the river a while. Look at him. He's just golden. Wow, you're pretty there, fella. What you saying now? Get this hook out of my face? I sure will. Ah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, there it is. Now look at him. God, nice fish. You are a beautiful fish. Alright. See ya, fella. Thanks for the ride. He's out. He's out. Oh, here we go. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Man, these guys are hard to hook today. Jesus. Oh, there he is. Yeah. What you doing, man? You don't know you're hooked? He knows he's hooked now. Come here. You're the best. Oh, I love these things. Come on. Right to the boat. Oh my God. You're the best. Jeez. Oh, you're so great. Come on. Letting you off right now. Just relax. 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 There he is. Mr. Tarpon. Alright, let me get the hook out of your face. Here you go. Come on, buddy. Oh! Okay. I guess he's revived. Oh, nice face full of... Ugh. Ah, God. That is so much fun. Alright. Well, I only had a few hours here today to fish, but yeah, I'm a kayak fishing guide here, so if you ever want to come and catch some of these little tarpon and stuff like that, if you're ever in the Treasure Coast, look me up, fishyourassoff.com. Do some of this kind of, oh, I might have to fish this spot before I leave, but yeah, you come on down. Let's see if we can't get you on some snook, tarpon, redfish, and trout. Those are my fab 4. I gotta do one more cast before I leave.